Well, hello again and welcome back to the Tamiya Australia YouTube channel. So I didn't actually think I'd be bringing another video to you guys so fast, but overnight we got the official release data from Tamiya in Japan for June 2025. So I thought, I better just get this video straight out like I said I would. I promised I'd make videos straight away. So if you're a returning viewer, thank you very, very much. If you're a new viewer, much appreciated. Thank you very, very much for tuning into the channel. So yeah, we had five RC releases for June 2025. I'll start straight at the top. We've got a new TRF kit, TRF 104 chassis kit. That's model number 42389. So we've got that coming in pretty soon. Another one that I know a lot of people are very excited about is this one just here, which is the Big Wig 2017. So it's another run of these kits. So it's 47330 is the kit number for these ones. Super popular kit. I think I sold out pretty fast last time. I did get one for the shelf. I've got one that I've already built, so I'm not sure if I'll get another one, but yeah, they're definitely going to be pretty popular this time around, I'm sure. We've got a tank kit in this release as well, which is 56046. It's the German Federal Army main battle tank Leopard 2 with a full option set. So it actually comes with a remote and it's a full kit basically you get straight from Tamiya. So everything you're going to need to put that together and run. That looks pretty cool. I actually, there was a tank listed on Facebook Marketplace locally, and I did make the guy an offer, but we couldn't sort of get together on the price. But it's something I wouldn't mind having a go at one day. It seems ultra complex. If anyone out there has built a tank before, let me know. It does look pretty cool, and I wouldn't mind doing one. I've done plenty of cars, but yeah, building a tank would be something a little bit different, and a little bit different for the channel, I'm sure. So next, and the reason why I've got this up here, this is one of my Scania's trucks. This is a R620. But we've got a Scania 770 4x2 full operation set as well. So the Scania is going to come through, like I said, with remotes and sort of all ready to build and run. So everything you're going to need is going to be in that kit on the way through. And lucky last, we've got 51754, which is the Audi R8 LMS 2008 body set. So spare body set for the Audi R8. So yeah, only 5 releases this for June, well this month, but we do have on the 14th of this month the show. So we should get some. Well, there was a list release of what they're going to display at the show, but I think there's going to be something else there that we don't know about yet. That's just what I heard. Whether that happens or not is another thing. But yeah, so when that video comes out, or when that data comes out, when I get that information, I'll bring a video straight out and talk about that one. But yeah, this is what we've got for June 2025. So yeah, on the channel, if you've been watching, I have just got back actually from Thailand and went around Bangkok, and I did 6 hobby shops. So 5 sort of specific Tamiya only shops, and 1 shop in Mega Plaza, which is like a hobby and collections. If you're a collector of stuff and figurines, airsoft, anything like that, it's basically 5 stories of it. It's just, yeah, it's insane when you go in there. It's pretty overwhelming. I do love it there. I love watches and stuff like that, so they do have a lot of watch stuff in there as well. But yeah, that's what we got for June 2025. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please give it a thumbs up and a like if you do. And I'll be back on Friday coming up with another one of my videos from Tamiya in Bangkok. And I think that video might even be Tamiya RCA or Tamiya Premium Club. No, it's Tamiya RCA is the next one on the list. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys, and we're going to see you very, very soon. Bye. So if you like this video, there's plenty more on our channel that you're going to love. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Check out some of the other videos that we've made. I'm sure you'll like them.